Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to talk about why treating trading like a business is crucial to your success. If you're a beginner trader, this video is perfect for you. Even the seasoned traders will benefit from it. Did you know that just like any other business, trading requires discipline, focus, and a solid plan? It's not just about buying and selling stocks and making a profit. It's much more than that. If you treat trading as a business, you'll start to see positive results. But if you treat it as a gamble, you're not going to last long in the market. That's why today, we're going to discuss some essential steps that will turn your trading into a full-fledged business. Treat trading like a business. It's not a secret that successful businessmen are serious about their ventures. They would never just wing it and hope to succeed. As a trader, you must be just as deliberate. If you want to succeed, you must take a business-like approach to trading. First, you need to develop a trading plan. A plan will keep you focused and on the right track. It will inform your decision-making. So, you should spend some time to develop a good plan that works for you. Your plan should outline your goals, strategies, preferred markets, risk tolerance, and an overall budget. After creating your plan, create an accounting system to track your trades. You should make use of tools to track your performance. This way, you'll know how you're doing and what needs improvement. Trading requires discipline. Discipline is essential in trading, especially when it comes to risk management. Every trader must have a well-defined risk management strategy. Many experts advise risking no more than 1 to 2% of your capital per trade. The goal of your risk management plan should be to keep you in the market for a long time, not just a short burst of success. Avoid common trading mistakes. Most traders go bust because they make common trading mistakes. One such mistake is ignoring the changes that take place in the market. You need to stay up to date with current events, market analysis, and economic developments. Another mistake is going all in with your money. You should never risk more than you can afford to lose. Also, it's crucial to start small and gradually increase your investment, especially when you're still developing your trading plan. Learn from your mistakes. Traders will make mistakes. No plan can be perfect. When you make a mistake, don't give up or let it affect your emotions. Instead, it's vital that you learn from your mistakes. Come back to your plan with a fresh perspective, see what went wrong, and make the necessary adjustments. Take your time to analyze what happened and apply the lessons learned from every mistake. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Visit our blog for in-depth resources. Thank you for watching.
Thanks for watching.